This product, niacinamide, arbutin, vitamin C, sodium hyaluronate, that is for softening the skin, which is really good. So, question. Does it work? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an update about this product from Dr. Sensitive. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, we are going to update this product from Dr. Sensitive Underarm Serum. So this softens and whitens dark spots with niacinamide, lavender flower extract, and sodium hyaluronate. This does work really? Does it? We'll figure it out. So today is my 30 days of using this product right here. So I've been using it day and night. Of course, there are times that I wasn't able to use it, but definitely once a day is my target, and then I was able to make it. I wanted my dark underarms at least lighten, as I was browsing from specialists and doctors. Skin replenishes 30 to 60 days. So any given product or any new product, there will be a change between 30 to 60 days. Your skin, this dead skin over here, will remove from that time on. So introducing a product that would really help taking off that dead cells is really, really good. And this has niacinamide. You know niacinamide? This product contains niacinamide. Niacinamide, as you know, that it helps retain moisture, helps to lighten dark spots. So this will build healthy skin. Okay, so if you have dead skin, the niacinamide helps to move that up to generate or expose the new skin. If you are talking about in the face, it would help with your texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. And if you have pores, it can also help. So niacinamide is really good, and this is really good. Also, there has arbutin. Arbutin, as you all know, is also really good for whitening, and vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, to help us from air pollutants. We need that. We need vitamin C, okay? And this product, niacinamide, arbutin, vitamin C, sodium hyaluronate, that is for softening the skin, which is really good. So, question. Does it work? Okay, so I am going now to show you my day one. So day one, I have red bumps, skin irritation, and dark spots because of the product that I was using previously, that it didn't work. I wasn't so happy about the previous product, so that's why I tend to buy a new one. And so I saw this at Watson's. This is only 49 pesos. Today is my 31 day. Okay, so I still have a few. Maybe this is can only good for 2 days. So 49 pesos over a month. This is really a good deal. The only downside about this is it has paraben. This is the only thing. Paraben. If you all know, Google it. Paraben is not good. I'm not so sure prolonged use that would be good for my skin. Also, you know how paraben is. So I'm not so sure if I could. Maybe I would try to look something else that doesn't have paraben. Or I hope they will not do any paraben in the next. Maybe if they could repackage or reformulate this, then probably. So But otherwise, this is the effect. 30 days. 31 today. Okay, so this is it. This is our underarms look like. Oh, it did work. Okay, it still has some little spots here, but how smooth my skin is, definitely it does work. It helps smoothening, lightening, or brightening. Yes, I still have more to go with like whitening some areas right here. And also this is the next underarm. You can see that it does like it has like a grayish bluish tone, but I am already happy with it. It's normal to me. Okay, so that's it. This is the updated underarms. So it does work. I am happy about it. I wish that this doesn't have paraben, so I am like 90% can recommend it. But otherwise, it's still a good product. I don't have any issues, no skin irritation, and it is smooth on the skin. And also one thing, I mix this with like twice a week. I'm using day and night for how you call that for the odor. Okay, or to control any like bad odor. I use this, and it does work together. So this is my update on the Underarm Whitening Serum from Dr. Cebu. I hope this video helps, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have any suggestions. Okay, until then, keep smiling.